A very good afternoon to all of you.
उम्मीदवारों को जाने एक्टिविटी से बच्चे सीखते हैं कि वोट देने से पहले कैंडिडेट्स को जानना क्यों और कितना जरूरी है।
The most important part of voting is to make an informed choice. Okay? For instance, how would you feel if you were told that the teacher who is going to teach you pol science doesn't have a degree in pol science but has a degree in physics, or doesn't have a degree at all? How would you feel? Any responses? Scared, right? Similarly, if the future of your country is in the hands of somebody who is not well informed, or who has a criminal background, or somebody who doesn't even have the basic educational qualifications, you should be scared. We're going to conduct a very important activity. You have been divided already, as I can see. You're sitting in 4 distinct groups, right? This will be group number 1, that will be group number 2, group number 3, and group number 4. Okay, we will pick up a state which has recently gone to the elections, gone for polls, which is Meghalaya in this case. And then what you have to do is you have to research upon that candidate. How you can do that? You can go to the website of the Chief Election Officer of Meghalaya. There, scroll down, you will get a link which says affidavits, and you will be able to get all the basic information about that candidate. Criminal record, their financial assets, their educational qualifications, etc. Apart from that, of course, you can conduct a basic Google research about the names, see what kinds of reports come up about that person, whether the PR that person has generated is always positive or is sometimes not that flattering. So after you conduct your research, you will make short presentations of about 5 to 10 minutes. One representative from each group will come up here and make their presentations. Okay, grade 12, is everybody done with their presentations?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, very good. Can I request a representative from group 1 to come and make his or her presentation now?
और उनकी खूबियों और खामियों पर निष्पक्ष चर्चा करते हैं।